Good morning, dear students and teachers, those who are present in the virtual class. Welcome to all this virtual studio Sundargarh. I am Uttara Kumar, assistant teacher from Government High School, Ujalpur. Dear students, today we are going to discuss a very interesting and inspiring topic, that is the swimmer who does not need her legs, part 1, and we will also discuss some MCQs and subjective questions of this topic. So let us go to the smart board. Dear students, we have sound body, we are physically fit, so we are performing different activities in our life. Imagine if a person has no leg, can he be able to perform different activities like us? Yes, dear students, he can also able to perform different activities like us. See this picture, dear students. In this picture, here is a man. He is running without legs, with artificial leg. And here is also a man. He is climbing the mountain. He is climbing the mountain without legs, with artificial leg. And in this picture, here is a lady. She is swimming in the water without legs. So, pila mane dekhi parila how if a person has no legs, but he can also able to perform different activities like us. So पिला माने गोड़ न थाई कि भी गोटे व्यक्ति सब काम करि परिबो. How it can be possible? Dear students, it can be possible by hard work, determination, courage and self-reliance. And these are the key elements which are helps a person to become a successful person. पिला माने तमे माने समस्ते पहरिबा जानिथिबो, समस्ते पोखरी रे नहले नदी रे स्विम करिथिबो नै. When we swim in the water, our legs plays most important role. Yes or no? Yes. But dear students, see the title. The swimmer who does not need her legs. There is a word swimmer, which means we swimming in the water. तो पिला माने एठी आमे गोटे स्विमर विषय रे पढिबा जे कि who does not need her legs, जाहाकू तार गोड़र आवश्यकता पड़ू नाही. And she was the first handicapped person who was successfully crossing the English Channel, and her name was C.N. Janaki. So let's go to the next slide to know more about the C.N. Janaki. C.N. Janaki was the first ever disabled person who swam the English Channel in 1992 in a relay team. C.N. Janaki के पिला माने who was the first disabled person, first handicapped person who was successfully crossing the English Channel in the year 1992 in a relay team, and she was affected with the disease of the polio when she was only 2 years old. पिला माने C.N. Janaki जेतेबेले 2 वर्षर थिले सेही समयरु से गोटे very dangerous disease जोटा कि पोलियो रे कोन हेतिले आक्रांत हेतिले. She suffered from polio on both her legs. She with her might and grit proved to the world that you do not need to have legs to swim. Though she suffered from polio on both her legs, she successfully swam the English Channel and made her relay team proud at the age of 19. The पिला माने both legs were affected by polio, but she was successfully crossing the English Channel and her relay team made proud at the age of 19. She wanted to prove that to be handicapped is no bar to success and nothing is impossible. पिला माने C.N. Janaki प्रमाण करि दैछंती, प्रमाण करिबाकू चाहिछंती कोन कि handicapped, the word handicapped is no bar to success. Success माने handicapped ता कोनोसी भी प्रतिबंधक नुहे. पिला माने जदि गोटे व्यक्ति पाखरे सेल्फ बिलीव रहिबो, हार्ड वर्क जदि करिबो, डिटरमिनेशन जदि रहिबो, करेज जदि रहिबो, ताहले he can achieve his or her goal. Okay. देखो पिला माने पोलियो रे गोटे व्यक्ति जदि आक्रांत हुए ताहले ए भलिया तार कंडीशन हेई थाए कौन पोलियो मीन्स इन्फेक्टियस डिजीज ऑफ द स्पाइन व्हिच कॉज एन इनएबिलिटी टू मूव सर्टेन मसल्स। तो पिला माने सीएन जानकी कौन करथिले इंग्लिश चैनल को क्रॉस करथिले। दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ इंग्लिश चैनल। सीएन जानकी कौन करथिले इंग्लिश चैनल को क्रॉस करथिले with her relative, and English Channel is the narrow sea passage that separates England and France। पिला माने ए इंग्लिश चैनल कौन करिछि तमर इंग्लैंड और फ्रांस कंट्री को सेपरेट करिछि। इट वाज वेरी सरप्राइजिंग। यस और नो? यस। नहीं, इंग्लिश चैनल को क्रॉस करिबा इट इज नॉट ए इजी वर्क, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट। यस और नो? यस। ओके, तो पिला माने ए इंग्लिश चैनल को सीएन जानकी कौन करथिले क्रॉस करथिले हैंडिकैप है कि मध्य। लेट्स सी द समरी of the first part of the topic. This topic is based on a young handicapped girl named C.N. Janaki, interested in swimming since her early childhood, though she was affected by polio. Dear students, this topic is based on a very young girl whose name was C.N. Janaki. Whose name was what? C.N. Janaki. And when she was in early childhood, in the year 1987, she was affected by polio. 1987 रे पिला माने से पोलियो रे आक्रांत थिले। She became a good swimmer. Later, she became a good swimmer. परवर्ती समय रे से गुटे good swimmer थिले, and her dream was to swim the English Channel. तांकर स्वप्न कोन थिला? To swim the English Channel. So, she conveyed her desire to the English Channel Swimming Association. Within a very short time, a reply came to her. She would be allowed if she fulfills two conditions. When C.N. Janaki was in child, see, the idea comes her mind to swim the English Channel. So, she conveys this idea to the English Channel Swimming Association. Luckily, the Swimming Channel Association reply came to her. She would be allowed if she fulfilled two conditions. पिला माने English Channel Swimming Association is a association who give permission to others to swim in the English Channel. Okay, तो से Swimming Channel Association कौन करिले? C.N. Janaki को रिप्लाई करिले कि जदि से दुईटा कंडीशन तांकर दुईटा कंडीशन रही से कंडीशन को इफ C.N. Janaki successfully fulfilled these two conditions, then he will be allowed to swim in the English Channel. Okay, what are these two conditions? First one is the swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. Swimmer कौन करिबो पिला माने continuously 10 hours कौन करिबो पानी रे। Swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. पानी रे continuously swimmer को 10 घंटा spend करिबा पे पड़िबो। This was the first condition of the Swimming Channel, English Channel Swimming Association. And the second condition was swimmer should be lead for marathon swimming. Dear students, swimmer कौन करि पारुथबो? Swimmer should be lead for marathon swimming. Marathon swimming करिबार। Marathon swimming means what? It means she should be able to swim for long hours in high seas at a pace without rest, without stopping. Swimmer should be able to swim for long hours in a high sea. So dear students, these were the two conditions of English Channel Swimming Association. तो ए दुईटा कंडीशन को फुलफिल करिबा पई C.N. Janaki कोन करथिले से तांकर ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट कर देथिले। आफ्टर दैट टू फुलफिल दिस टू कंडीशन जानकी बिगेन हर ट्रेनिंग अंडर एन NIS कोच मिस्टर गोपाल इन बेंगलोर रे मिस्टर गोपाल जे की NIS कोच नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स। NIS मींस नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स। नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स रो जे कोच थिले मिस्टर गोपाल को अंडर रे Under the NIS coach Mr. Gopal, Janaki began her training in Bangalore. After 4 years of training, she was able to spend 10 hours continuously in water, and Mr. Gopal gave her a certificate that she was able to swim 10 hours at a stretch. Dear students, this was not enough for her training, so she joined the Thamaya National Academy of Adventure in the coastal town of Malpe and began training in the Arabian Sea. ପିଲାମାନେ ସେଇଥିରେ that was not enough, so she joined the Thamaya National Academy of Adventure in the coastal town of Malpe and began training in the Arabian Sea, and she completed her course in 3 weeks. 3 ସପ୍ତାହରେ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିଲେ ଆରବିଆନ୍ ସି ରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ସମାପ୍ତ କରିଦେଲେ under a course called Dinesh Suvarna and was able to swim 20 kilometers a day in the sea. ଦିନକୁ ସେ 20 କିଲୋମିଟର ପହଁରି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଯୋଉ ଥିଲା ମାରାଥନ ସ୍ୱିମିଂ ତାକୁ ସେ ଫୁଲଫିଲ୍ କରିଦେଲେ. After that, CN Janaki came back to the Bangalore and sent her certificate to the Channel Swimming Association in England. And fortunately, she got the permission for the Channel Association so that she collected funds to go to the England. बुझिला पिला माने स्विमिंग इंग्लिश चैनल स्विमिंग एसोसिएशन ताकू परमिशन दे देले तापरे सीएन जानकी कोन करिले कलेक्टेड फंड्स टू गो टू द इंग्लैंड. से फंड कलेक्ट करिले टंका कलेक्ट करिले एंड इंग्लैंड को जीवा पे टंका से कलेक्ट करिले. टू हर गुड फॉर्च्यून द गवर्नमेंट a private agency a few private agency several friends contributed the money she needed. गवर्नमेंट किसी प्राइवेट एजेंसी तांको सागसाथी माने तांको टंकार जो दरकार थिला सेति पई से माने सहायता करथिले देथिले. आफ्टर दैट जानकी with her parents left for England in the middle of 1992. तापरे पिला माने 1992 मिडिल रे जानकी तांकर पेरेंट्स को नेकी इंग्लैंड को बाहरी पड़िले. दे अराइव्ड एट डोभर बीच. They arrived at Dover Beach and she began practicing in the channel. Dover Beach को पहुंचिले and she began practicing in the channel, English channel. The channel officials were shocked to see that a physically handicapped person was trying to swim the channel for the first time. The students, when CN Janaki arrived Dover Beach and practicing and began practicing in the English channel, the English channel officials were quite shocked because that was their first experience that a physically handicapped person was trying to swim the channel. So this is all about the first part of this topic, the swimmer who does not need her legs. तो पिला माने वर्तमान आमे कोन कहबा किछि MCQ क्वेश्चन करिबा नै. Question number 1 is who has become the first handicapped person to be the part of a successful team crossing the English Channel? Who has become the first handicapped person to be the part of a successful team crossing the English Channel?
CN Janaki.
Very good. The option CN Janaki is the correct option. Very good. Second question. When CN Janaki was struck by polio?
1987.
Very good. 1987. Option B is the correct answer. In 1987, CN Janaki was struck by polio when he was in 2 years old. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ 2 ବର୍ଷର ଥିଲେ ସେହି ସମୟରୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପୋଲିଓ କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା affected ହେଇଥିଲେ ନାଇଁ. Third question. CN Janaki's legs were made useless by this. CN Janaki's legs were made useless by
Polio.
Very good. CN Janaki's legs were made useless by polio. Question number 4. As a child, Janaki got the idea of trying to swim the dash.
English Channel. English
Very
channel.
good. English channel. Nahin. When C.N. Janaki was in child, she got the idea of trying to swim the English channel. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 5. Whom did Janaki convey the idea of trying to swim the English channel?
English channel swimming association.
Very good.
English channel
Option?
swimming association.
English Channel Swimming Association is the correct answer. 6 number. The swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 continuously in water before making an attempt to swim the English Channel.
10 hours.
Very good. 10 hours. The swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water before making an attempt to swim the English Channel, and this was the first condition of English Channel Swimming Association. Okay. अब ए फर्स्ट कंडीशन को सीएन जानकी कोठारो फुलफिल करथिले, कोठारो ट्रेनिंग नहीं करी इन बेंगलोर नहीं, बेंगलोर रे ट्रेनिंग नहीं की फर्स्ट कंडीशन को फुलफिल करथिले. ठीक अछि. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. मैराथन स्विमिंग refers to that. मैराथन स्विमिंग refers to
Swimming in the
that.
high seas for long hours at a stretch. Swimming in the high seas for long hours at a stretch.
Good. Marathon swimming refers to swimming in the high seas for long hours at a stretch. Stretch means without stopping. Question number 8. How many conditions have to be made for a swimmer to make an attempt swim English Channel?
2.
Two conditions. There were 2 conditions have to be made for swimmer to make an attempt swim English Channel. Name. Question number 9. Janaki began training in dance.
Bangalore.
Very good. Janaki began training in Bangalore. Question number 10. After years of training, Janaki was able to spend 10 hours at a stretch in the swimming pool.
4 years.
4 years. Option C is the correct answer. Name. After 4 years of training, Janaki was able to spend 10 hours at a stretch in the swimming pool. Okay, very good. Question number 11. Who was the NIS coach?
Mr. Gopal.
Say again.
Option A.
Option A. Mr. Gopal was the NIS coach. What is the full form of NIS? What is the full form of NIS? NIS refers to National Institute of Sports. नहीं, एक क्वेश्चन पहले आसिला. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. What is the full form of NIS? कुह 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन रो आंसर कौन होगा? ऑप्शन बी. Very good. National Institute of Sports. नहीं. Question number 13. Janaki began training in the RUNC with the help of dash. Option C. Thamaya National Academy of Adventure. Janaki began training in the RUNC with the help of Thamaya National Academy of Adventure to fulfill the second condition of English Channel Swimming Association. Nahin? Very good. Question number 14. Janaki went to the coastal town of Malpe and began training in the dash.
Arabian Sea. Option D.
Option D is the correct answer. Very good. Question number 15. In Thamaya Academy of Adventure, Janaki learned to spend long hours in a sea by swimming a minimum of dash kilometers a day.
20 kilometers. Option D.
Option D is the correct answer. Nahin? 20 kilometers. When C.N. Janaki went to the coastal town of Malpe and started training in the Arabian Sea, she was able to spend long hours in a sea by swimming a minimum of 20 kilometers a day. Very good. 16 number question. How many weeks did Janaki spend with the coach Dinesh Suvarna?
3
weeks. Okay. केते सप्ताह दिनेश सुवर्ण सहित ट्रेनिंग नहीं थिले दिनेश सुवर्ण गठारो 3 weeks नहीं. Question number 17. Dinesh Suvarna was this.
Janaki's coach.
Very good. Janaki's coach. Dinesh Suvarna was Janaki's coach. Very good. Next question. Who do not contribute money for Janaki's trip?
Option A.
No. Do not contribute. Who do not contribute money for Janaki's trip? बोल से ऑप्शन देखा.
Option B.
कौन अच्छी पढ़िला ऑप्शन बी?
Option B.
No.
A few private agency. D. Option D.
Option D is the correct answer. The government, a few private agency and several friends contributed money for Janaki's trips, but her relatives do not contribute money for her trip. Okay, so option D है वो तारो ठीक answer. Next question. When did Janaki and her parents leave for England?
Option C. Option C.
Option C.
The
In the middle
Option
of
C.
1992.
Good, very good. Next question. Where were the Channel Swimming Association officials shocked? Where were the Channel Swimming Association officials shocked? Because a physically challenged person was trying to swim the English Channel. Janaki could not swim at all. Janaki was new there. Janaki had a lot of interest to swim. Which option will be answer?
Option B.
No. Wrong answer.
A.
Yes. Option A is the correct answer. The Channel Swimming Association officials shocked because a physically handicapped person was trying to swim the English Channel, and that was their first experience in their life. Swimming Channel Association मानको पाई सेटा तांको जीवन रो first experience थिला कि गोटे physically handicapped person English Channel रे पहुँचुची नहीं तो option A हबो तार ठीक आंसर. Now we'll discuss some subjective questions of this topic. How did Janaki begin training in the Arabian Sea? How did Janaki begin training in the Arabian Sea? Where did Janaki go with the help of Thema Academy of Adventure? Where did Janaki go with the help of Thema National Academy of Adventure? Janaki went to the coastal town of Malpe and she began training in the Arabian Sea with the help of the Thema National Academy of Adventure. ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମର ଯଦି ए भलिया जदि क्वेश्चन आसीबो ताले हमें ए प्रकार लिखिबा नै. Try to answer the second question. Who was Mr. Gopal?
Janaki's coach was Mr. Gopal.
Mr. Gopal was Janaki coach or NIS coach नहीं. What did he give to Janaki? What did he give to Janaki?
Training. He gave to Janaki's certificate.
Very good. Mr.
Yes,
Gopal
certificate.
was a NIS coach. He gave a certificate to Janaki saying that he had seen her swim for 10 hours continuously. नहीं, Mr. Gopal Janaki को गोटे सर्टिफिकेट देथिले और सर्टिफिकेट रे लिखा हैतला कोन कि he had seen her swim for 10 hours continuously. ठीक अछि.
Yes, ma'am.
Question.
आजिरो क्लास भलो लागिला.
What were the conditions set by the English Channel Swimming Association? Who did Janaki convey the idea of swimming the channel? ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଇ क्वेश्चन रे ଆମେ କିଛି सब आइडिया पाइबा हला कोन कि who did Janaki convey the idea of swimming the channel? What were the conditions set by channel authority?
The swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. The first condition. And the second condition is the swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming. That is, she should be able to swim in the high seas for long hours at a stretch. Okay, तो बोलिए.
Very good, very good.
Thank you, teacher.
Janaki conveyed her idea of swimming the channel to the English Channel Swimming Association for details, and the channel authorities replied that two conditions have to be fulfilled before a swimmer is allowed to swim in the channel. And they were, first one is, the swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. And second condition is, the swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming. That is, he or she should be able to swim in the high seas for long hours at a stretch. I would question why were the officials of the English Channel Swimming Association shocked? When did Janaki reach England? When did Janaki reach England? पिलामाने ए जो सब आइडिया अछि तीनटा क्वेश्चन अछि ए तीनटा क्वेश्चन रो आंसर जदि हम करि देले आ ताकू जदि हम मिसै देबा ताले ए क्वेश्चन रो आंसर आसी जिवो आ हमें 5 रु 5 मार्क पाइ जिवो. When did Janaki reach England?
सुबार तो नहीं लोग अरे यार
Janaki with her parents reached in England in the middle of 1992. Where did she begin practice? The कोटी practice करिले. Where did she begin practice? She began practice in the English Channel. She began practice in the English Channel. नहीं. Next question देखिला. What did the officials see for the first time in their life?
The association officials shocked because they had never seen a physically handicapped person trying to swim in English Channel.
Very good. The officials saw for the first time in their life that a physically handicapped person was trying to swim in the English Channel. Very good. So पिला माने ए परि भाव रे हम लिखिबा. Janaki reached in England in the middle of 1992. She reached Dover Beach and began practicing in the English Channel. And the Channel Swimming Association officials were quite shocked to see it because it was the first time in their experience that a physically handicapped person was trying to swim in the English Channel. So पिला माने CN Janaki middle of 1992 रे इंग्लैंड जाइथिले एंड सी रीच्ड डोभर बीच को पहुंची से कौन करथिले सी बिगेन प्रैक्टिसिंग इन द इंग्लिश चैनल रे प्रैक्टिस आरंभ कर देथिले द इंग्लिश चैनल स्विमिंग एसोसिएशन वर क्वाइट शॉक्ड इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम इन देयर एक्सपीरियंस दैट अ फिजिकली हैंडिकैप्ड पर्सन वाज ट्राइंग टू स्विम इन द इंग्लिश चैनल पिला माने होमवर्क नोट कर दियो पढिबो एंड कंसर्न टीचर को देखिबो नहीं होमवर्क रे कोन अछि Write down about different disabled person who have achieved success in various fields. हमें ये पाठ रे गोटे डिसेबल पर्सन जे कि सीएन जानकी तांको विषय रे पढिले तो आउ गोटे डिफरेंट डिसेबल पर्सन विषय रे तमे लेखिबो who have achieved success in various fields. Okay, होप समस्त बुझी जाइथिबो नहीं. Thank you.